Morning to one and all present over here. It's indeed a great pleasure seeing you all gathered here for the morning assembly. And without taking much of your time, I want to mention a lesson that is very useful for you. Your limitation is only your imagination. If I ask you who is the first person who walked on the moon, I'm pretty sure you will have a lot of answers. But if I ask you who is the second person, I barely hope I will get any answers. Why is it like that? Traditionally, we don't value the second or third person as much as we should. After all, it's not only the first person who deserves the fame or the notable status. The second person or the third person also worked best, but they don't get it. Always the people are behind the first and the best person. So, one thing you want to understand is that patience and perseverance are the secrets of success. The new year is coming. Work hard, work for the first, and work for the best. Today, here the presentation is conducted by the students of class 7A. I would like to hand over my words to Shejana. She is going to conduct the program. Shejana.
A warm good morning to one and all present over here. I am Shajana of class 7A. We, the students of class 7A, is conducting today's morning assembly. Respected principal, director, vice principal, teachers, and all my dear friends, I welcome all to our small presentation. Prayer is a key of the morning and a bolt of the evening. Always pray how to eyes that see best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith in God. For prayer, I invite Hima.
Good morning. God is my rock, my fort, my shelter. He will take care of every day. God is my friend and He is my Father. His eyes are watching over me. God is my rock, my fort, my shelter. He will take care of every day. God is my friend and He is my Father. His eyes are watching over me. Angels, angels watching me. Jesus, Jesus is watching over me. God is my rock, my fort, my shelter. He will take care of every day. God is my friend and He is my Father. His eyes are watching over me. His eyes are watching over me. His eyes are watching over me.
Thank you, Hima. Every good citizen adds to the strength of our nation. To take the oath, I invite Libika.
Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and am proud of it,
and am proud of it,
rich and very heritage.
rich and very heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect and treat
respect and treat
everyone with courtesy.
everyone with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their will be
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you, Libika. We are what our thoughts are made us. So we take care. What do you think? What's a secondary? Thoughts live. They can travel far.
Welcome to all. Today's thought. Respect for food is respect for life, for who we are and what we do. I repeat it. Respect for food is respect for life, for who we are and we for who we are and what we do. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayana. Praviti is a soul of wit. To take the aware of the aforesaid talk, I invite Aryan Vijesh.
Good morning, all. My name is Aryan Vijesh from class 7A. Today, my topic is on food waste. We all know that for living, food is extremely important, but still, it is being wasted by many people. Every year, a third of world's food is wasted. Pope Francis once said, "Wasting food is like stealing from the poor." According to the reports by the World Food Organization, 20,000 of children are forced to go hunger every day. India ranked 67th in the World Hunger Index. It is a shame that every fourth person in India is forced to sleep with hunger. Around 67 million tons of food is wasted in India every year, which is enough to feed a state like Bihar for a year. A biggest question is how can we reduce food wastage on a personal level? Since India is a country of festivals and weddings, huge food is wasted by the crowd. The best way to save is to prevent wastage. We should encourage donation of food and grocery products. We, as an ordinary person, has the power to change the future by just stop wasting food. Thank you all.
Thank you, Aryan Vijesh. News is the powerhouse of information. It connects us with every field and every part of the world. To share important headlines, I invite Hridya.
Good morning. I am Hridaya Raj. Today's news in headlines. UK gears up to become first country to roll out coronavirus vaccine. Nepal. China announced revised height of Mount Everest as 8,848.86 meter. Mukesh Ambani calls for early rollout of 5G services. News in detail. Britain geared up to become the first country to roll out the Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccine on Tuesday. As Southern California lockdown 20 million people to ease the burden on hospitals struggling with record cases. UK health officials warned the nation's biggest ever inoculation drive would be a marathon stretching well into next year. Kathmandu, Nepal and China on Tuesday jointly announced the revised height of the world's highest peak, Mount Everest, as 8,848.86 meters. The Nepal government decided to measure the exact height of the mountain amid debates that there might have been a change in its height due to various reasons, including the devastating earthquake of 2015. Reliance Industries chairman says 300 million mobile subscribers are still trapped in 2G era while pitching for an early rollout of 5G services. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani on Tuesday called for urgent policy measures to ensure access to affordable smartphones for 300 million mobile subscribers trapped in 2G era. Sports. Lionel Messi's rivalry with Cristiano Ronaldo has enthralled football for the better part of a decade, and the pair will duel for potentially the final time when Barcelona hosts Juventus in the Champions League on Tuesday. Thank you.
Thank you, Hridya. If you want to be powerful, educate yourself. To inform you about the important days of week, I invite Cherry.
Good morning. I'm Cherry of class 7th A. I'm going to say the important days of the week. December 7 is observed as International Civil Aviation Day. December 8 is observed as the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. December 9 is observed as International Anti-Corruption Day. December 10 is observed as Human Rights Day. December 11 is observed as National Lager Day, and December 12 is observed as International Mountain Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Cherry. Today, December 9 is observed as International Anti-Corruption Day to highlight how corruption is affect the justice. democracy, and prosperity of a country. I invite Kashinath with a poster.
Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Kashinath. All your dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So don't limit yourself. Together we can dream and achieve. Thank you all.
Today's assembly was conducted by the students of class 7A. My hearty appreciation to the class teacher and the participants for making a wonderful assembly. Thank you all. Once again, I am thanking you all. Now I would like to announce the results of Youth Festival. For category 3, Bharatanatyam winners, first prize goes to Vaiga Pillai of class 6C. Second prize goes to Varada S of class 5B. Then category 3, elocution English winners are Ahmad Malik bin Sajid, class 6A got first prize. Second prize shared by two children, that is Faisa Siyad of class 6B and Mahima Grace Sinu of class 5C. Third prize goes to Jesrin Lijo of class 6B. For category 3, elocution Hindi, winners are Amulya K. Anil of class 5B got first prize, and Dayanand V also shared first prize. Second prize goes to Devanand V of class 6A. Third prize goes to Faisa Siyad of class 6B. Next category 3, elocution Malayalam. First prize goes to Faisa Siyad of class 6B. Second prize goes to Mahima Grace Inu of class 5C. And third prize goes to Alia Sultana R of class 6B. Category 3, folk dance winners. First prize goes to Vaiga Pillai of class 6C. Second prize goes to Diya M. Raj of class 5C. Third prize shared by two children, Hana Fatima L of class 6A and Sweda S of class 6A. Category 3, light music boys winners. First prize goes to Srihari S of class 5B. Second prize goes to Surya S of class 6B. Third prize goes to Aravind Anil of class 5A. Category 3, Mappilapata winners. First prize goes to Faisa Siyad of class 6B. Second prize goes to Hansa A of class 6A. And third prize goes to Fabi Fatima S of class 5A. Category 3, recitation Hindi winners. First prize goes to Amulya K. Anil of class 5B. Second prize goes to Faisa Siyad of class 6B. Third prize shared by two children, Dayanand V of class 6A and Devanand V of class 6A. Category 3, recitation Malayalam. First prize goes to Jesslyn Lijo of class 6B. Second prize goes to Faisal Yadav class 6B. And third prize goes to Amulya K. Anil of class 5B. Category 3, Recitation English. First prize goes to Sandra Raj S of class 5A. Second prize goes to Faisal Yadav class 6B. Third prize goes to Devananda H of class 6B. Category 3, Light Music winners, Light Music girls. First prize Hansa A of class 6A. Second prize goes to Faisal Yadav 6B. And third prize goes to Jesslyn Lijo of class 6B. Category 3, Bharatanatyam. For category 4, Anchoring, first prize goes to Ridunanda JS of class 7B. Second prize goes to Shajana S of class 7A. And third prize goes to Hida Fatima S of class 7C. Category 4, Bharatanatyam, consolation prize, Bafidami S of class 8A. Category 4, extemporary English winners. First prize goes to Devapriya S of class 7A. Second prize goes to Anusha Shaju of 7A. And third prize goes to Ritunanda JS of class 7B. Category 4, extemporary Hindi. First prize goes to Ritunanda JS of class 7B. Second prize goes to Aryan Vijesh of class 7A. Category 4, folk dance. First prize goes to Afidami S of class 8A. Second prize goes to Adiba Munir of class 7C. Third prize goes to Anigraha S of class 8A. Category 4, light music girls. First prize goes to Ridunanda JS of class 7B. Second prize goes to Ashwini V of class 7B. And third prize goes to Navami Raji of class 7B. Category 4, Mapulapata winners. Al Sidan A of class 8A got first prize. Second prize goes to Shajana S of class 7A. And third prize goes to Ashwini V of class 7B. Category 4, Mono Act winners. First prize goes to Devapriya S of class 7A. Second prize goes to Ashwini V of class 7B. And third prize shared by two children, Ridunanda JS of class 7B and Aditya A of class 7B. Category 4, Recitation English. First prize goes to Devapriya S of class 7A. Second prize goes to Ridunanda JS of class 7B. And third prize goes to Adilakshmi Suresh of class 7C. Category 4, Recitation Hindi. Winners, first prize goes to Ridunanda JS of class 7B. Second prize goes to Shajana S of class 7A. And third prize goes to Aryan Vijesh of class 7A. Category 4, Recitation Malayalam. First prize goes to Ashwini V of class 7B. Second prize goes to Sriram R of class 8A. And third prize goes to Adilakshmi Suresh of class 7C. Category 4, Anchoring winners. First prize goes to Ridunanda JS of class 7B. Second prize goes to Shajana S of class 7A. And third prize goes to Hida Fatima S of class 7C. Congratulations all the winners. Once again, I am congratulating all the winners and participants of the Youth Festival. Thank you. The assembly is The